All right, so I finished the house. I'm getting it ready for pictures right now and put it up on the market. So here it is. Let's show you what we did. All right. So I did the whole landscaping, new mulch, trimmed everything, resealed the driveway, new outside paint. We had a company come in and do all the outside paint and spray that. But I did all the landscaping and everything. Got the whole garage all fixed, cleaned up, repainted. Down here, painted everything. Come through. This was all torn up and everything. I redid the whole brick walkway myself. Cleaned this whole up, remade it all real nice here. Fixed all the bricks. Cleaned all this up. Repainted literally everything in this entire house. Everything. Repainted everything. New carpets. I put new floors in here, repainted the whole place in here, new caulking, cleaned this entire place up. All new carpeting, all new paint in every single room, all new paint everywhere. Everything good to go. All painted, all the floors all fixed. Anything that was wrong with the floors, all fixed or redone. New carpeting all the way up. And then the new kitchen. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Put all new floors, all new paint, put new central air, new fixtures, repainted the entire kitchen, refinished the entire kitchen. Everything was brown. Literally everything was brown. Everything's now white. Everything beautiful. New dishwasher, new sink, new countertops. New range, everything, new floors, everything new. I redid all the paint and everything in here. All the paint, floors, everything. All throughout, cleaned, repainted everything. New slider door here. What up? All the way through. So up here, new floors down here. What up, Jeff? This is a new bathroom in here. Jeff's finishing off the last little stuff in here. New bathroom that we put in that used to be a closet. The new kitchenette. Office. Bedroom in here. Everything, all new paint, all new everything. This whole place was carpeted. We put the new floors in, new bathroom, new kitchenette, everything all in here. Put a little landing up here, closet in here, everything else. So it looks all like a little studio apartment type of thing. It's a little more than a studio. It's got the rooms, but you know what I mean. I repainted all this. New stairs. The stairs were all blue. Repainted them all nice and brown. I restained all the railings in the main house and in here. Sanded, restained all the railings, everything. Beautiful. Again, I did all the landscaping, fixed everything else up outside, and had the company come in, repaint everything. I fixed all the rot, everything out here. The company came and resprayed it all, repainted it all. I fixed all this brick walkways. Everything. Oldest house in Natick. Old mortuary. This is where they had the mortuary and the fridge and everything else. And then the family home. This is the antique part of the home, the vintage, and this is the new side that they built. So now I'm in the vintage side now, and I'm in here this week redoing this side. And I gotta do just the repaint and everything in here real quick so it's all ready to sell on this side. This is the colonial vintage side right here. The oldest fireplace in Natick with the old guns, everything else. Everything's still set up, all vintage, all colonial. Look at this place. Freaking gorgeous. We just put all new carpets in here. I just gotta go through and repaint everything in this place here. Ellie's back to the kitchen we were just in. Here's the other side of the fireplace. Master bathroom. Washroom. There's all kinds of cool little compartments and places to store little cool hidden drawers and stuff. There we go. Here's where I'm standing right now. Purple. So what's up? We're almost done with this. We got about a week left just to finish doing this side and a few things in here. I got some stone coming in outside and repainting everything. Guys are coming to take the pictures of the outside or inside the other side right now. We got it all set to go, all set to put up for sale. This place is gonna go for a lot of money. A lot of money. So keep up, keep following us. We're moving out to Gloucester next to redo a bunch of apartments out there for this client. We're just gonna keep on moving, keep on going. So